English Icelandic Essentials, is there.
Til.
May I?
Má ég?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, you, do. Ready to sound smart and funny in Icelandic? Let's go. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail everyday lifesavers like, is there.
Til.
May I?
Má ég?
I need.
Ég þarf.
Where, what, how much.
Hvar
Slash.
Hvað
Slash.
Hvað kostar?
I would like.
Ég myndi vilja.
And, can you.
Getur þú?
Quote dot. Your mission today. You'll practice quick patterns for travel, cafes, and, help, this jar won't open, moments. Ask availability, is there.
Til.
Ask permission, may I.
Má ég?
State a need, I need.
Ég þarf.
Find places, where is.
Hvar
Identify stuff, what is.
Hvað
Check price, how much is.
Hvað kostar?
Order politely, I would like.
Ég myndi vilja.
Ask for help, can you. Question mark quote.
Getur þú?
Mini forms with laughs. Say it with me, short, sweet, and just a little silly. Availability radar. Is there a restroom nearby? Is there.
Til.
Salerni. Permission doorbell. May I sit here?
Má ég?
Sitja air. Honest needs. I need a coffee, now.
Ég þarf.
Cafe. Lost but cute. Where is the station?
Hvar
Stowen. Curious cat. What is this?
Hvað
Etta. Wallet whisper. How much is this?
Hvað kostar?
Etta. Polite order. I would like a table for two.
Ég myndi vilja.
Bor Firier TVO. Teamwork time. Can you help me?
Getur þú?
Hjálpa mér? Cafe dialogue. Imagine you, a cozy cafe, and a pastry calling your name. Play both parts. You, excuse me, is there a vegetarian option?
Til.
Grain meat is rétur? Server. Ja. Also, the soup is great. You, how much is the pastry?
Hvað kostar?
Bola? Server. 600 kroner. You, I would like a coffee, please.
Ég myndi vilja.
Cafe, talk. You, may I sit here?
Má ég?
Sitja air? Server. Ja, endilega. You, whisper to self, I need sugar.
Ég þarf.
Psycher. You to neighbor, can you pass the sugar?
Getur þú?
Rata mer psycherin? Pronunciation beat. Clap softly and echo the phrase after me, own the rhythm.
Til.
Clap, you.
Má ég?
Nod, you.
Ég þarf.
Reach, you.
Hvar
Point, you.
Hvað
Tilt head, you.
Hvað kostar?
Wallet pat, you.
Ég myndi vilja.
Gentle smile, you.
Getur þú?
Open palm, you. Culture tips you can use today. Tiny tweaks, big wins, sound natural in Reykjavik. Permission versus ability.
Má ég?
Permission, vs.
Getur þú?
Can you, ability. Polite ordering. Prefer.
Ég myndi vilja.
Over a blunt, I want. Your latte arrives with extra smiles. Direction trio. Don't mix them up.
Hvar er?
Where?
Hvað er?
What, and if you're price checking.
Hvað kostar?
How much? Quick quiz. Answer out loud. Wrong is fine, funny is better. Q1. Which phrase asks for availability? Is there? Say it in Icelandic. A.
Er til.
Q2. You want to sit, permission first. Say, may I sit here? A.
Má ég?
Sitja er? Q3. You forgot the word for a gadget. Ask, what is this? A.
Hvað er?
Edda? Q4. Money talk. Ask the price of that sweater. A.
Hvað kostar?
Esi pesa? Q5. Ask a friend to help you carry a box. A.
Getur þú?
Hjálpa mig kassan? Speed challenge. Say the Icelandic fast after the English. Ready, go. Is there a restroom?
Er til.
Salerni? Where is the museum?
Hvar er?
Safni? I need water.
Ég þarf.
Vatn. What is this?
Hvað er?
Edda? May I open the window?
Má ég?
Opna gluggen? How much is this?
Hvað kostar?
Edda? I would like a table for two.
Ég myndi vilja.
Bor Fyrier TVO. Can you show me the way?
Getur þú?
Sinna mer leina? Wrap up and high five. You crushed it. These phrases will carry you all over Iceland. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Er til. Má ég? Ég þarf. Hvar er? Hvað er? Hvað kostar? Ég myndi vilja.
And.
Getur þú?
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, printables, and audio at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.